Hey, all my Stealth students. I just got back from a conference in Texas. It was awesome. And of course, I'm always learning new things to help you guys generate your business and generate clients and just escalate that business. So, is what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through something I learned over the last few days, and it was one of those golden nuggets that you can claim clients really, really fast. So let's just do a search here, and we're just going to put in plumbing, Nashville, Tennessee, and I want to show you something. And this is a way that you can go out and seek new clients real fast because they're in need of something. And what they're in need of course, this is your paid ads right here. And these are sponsored ads, which is something new that Google's doing. And most importantly, here's your map pack right here. Well, a lot of people want to be in that map pack, and they're like, well, I'm already in there, but they don't realize that they haven't claimed their business. And of course, this is your organic searches here. So let's just go into the map pack and look at a few of these. And I'm just going to click on the map. And this is a way for you to go out and seek clients. So let's go to Morton Plumbing. They've got a good rating here. And what we're looking for is whether they claimed their page or not, their Google page. And best thing to do is scroll down and just see who hasn't claimed their business. And I just saw one, but I want to look for another one here real quick. So we're just looking through, and of course the ones with a lot of reviews, likely they claim their page. So you see this right here, this says own this business. Well, this means that Wemby, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, Plumbing and Heating has not claimed their Google Maps page. So if they haven't claimed their Google Maps page, they probably haven't done a lot to their website or even their social media. But let's go check their website. So they have an older, outdated website. I don't see any social icons here. So I'm telling you, here's how you approach this client. First of all, they have no social media that I can see that's connected to this page. Second of all, they don't have a Google Maps. They haven't claimed this page. If I clicked on this, I could actually claim their business. So I'm just going to go through here, and I could actually go in here and hit next. What's the name of the business? And I could actually claim their page. So what's that mean for a business? Well, that's pretty scary stuff, because anybody can claim that business. And most of all, they're not going to come up on a high ranking for plumbing or plumbers in Nashville, because, see, they're way down here, because they haven't claimed their page. Of course, the companies that claim their page and optimize their Google Maps, they're going to come up a lot better because they're higher. They've claimed their page. They ranked well. So if we go down here, how many? Now you can charge $500 for this one-time setup fee. So here's $500. Let's just keep going down. Another $500. Now this is just in the plumbing sector. This guy has claimed his page, but he's got 1 star. Has no business hours. Doesn't have a website, so there's more business there. And we could just keep going page by page by page, just down the plumbing deal. Can you imagine 10 of these in 1 month for 5 minutes to set up their Google business? Would be $500 each. Even if you just charge them $500, pitch it at $500, and if they balk on it, tell them you do it at $300. So 10 of those is $3,000. Just bam. Here's another one. I can just keep going and going. And the ones that are showing up way down here, with the ones that haven't claimed their page, here's another one, own this business. The ones that are showing up way down here are either bad reviews or they haven't set up the rest of this page. So here's another one that needs to be claimed. So let's just go plumbing in Detroit, Michigan, for my buddy Greg up in Michigan. And let's just look at this one here. And that one's claimed because you see it doesn't have the own this business. But we're just, usually I start a little bit further down. But let's see how far it takes us to get down to one that hasn't been claimed. Because I guarantee you there's some in here that have not been claimed, like this one right here. He's got good stars, 4.3, but he hasn't claimed this business. Look at the size of this company. You think they're going to pay $500? Look at the amount of employees. Because what this is going to do, this is going to increase their level on those rankings in Google Maps. So literally it's a one-time deal setup. All you got to do is go into Google and type how to set up Google business listing. And then, if I can smell it right, let's go to videos. Here's a video from 2017, 2018 right here. So this is a 12-minute video. That's how to learn it, but it really only takes a few minutes. Here's one, how to claim yours, which takes 8 minutes. But I would just let them know that their Google Maps is not set up. And I'm a local business. I just wanted to help you out. Set that up. We can do that right now. And it's $300 to $500. I would pitch it at $500 because I know guys over the weekend that were pitching it at a lot more than that. But I'm going to share this video, how to generate new business in the local sector. And I'm going to share this video on the group page, and I'm going to share it within the training. So take advantage of this, guys. This is a lot of money to be made. We just touched on the plumbing sector. So you've got electricians, you've got thousands and thousands of businesses that you can literally call on today. And just keep going through here. Just go down the list. Here, own this business. And you can tell them that I can own your business on Google. And put the scarcity in them. But here's another one in Detroit. There's thousands and thousands. You can just keep going. Look at the pages. I'll go back to this page. Here's another one. And so there's a lot of business to be made here. And you can just, and not only that, you can charge to optimize their Google Maps page. So you can say, we'll set up your Google business because it's not claimed. You haven't claimed it yet. And not only that, we'll optimize it for another $300 to $500, whatever that number's going to be. So you could make an easy $1,000. 10 of those is $10,000 a month. You could literally make this into a business right here. Okay, guys, jump on this, take action, because nobody that doesn't take action, if you never take action, you're never going to be successful. Thanks for watching this.